Hello, my name is Lauren Fagan, and this is my presentation over self-disclosure. First, I'd like to talk about agreeableness in my life. I really do feel like if you're agreeable and cooperative with your peers, your teachers, your coaches, I feel like you'll really succeed in life. And this is a picture of me at graduation receiving my diploma, and that's my superintendent up there. I feel that I have an agreeable relationship with him, and I think that having this will help anyone succeed in life. Next, I'd like to talk about passion. This is me in New York City. This is when I was my most passionate and most excited. I found a ton of joy in going to New York City. It taught me who I was and what I wanted to be. And I wanted to be a fashion designer and buyer. And I actually did a college visit on this trip and also was involved with our family vacation. And we had a ton of fun. We all shared the joy and excitement together, which was a really great thing. I think everyone should have a level of passion in their life. Without passion, you don't have a purpose, and a purpose is always a very good thing. Love is the next thing I'd like to talk about. This is my beautiful sister and I in Times Square. This is when me and my sister got to know each other extremely well. We used to fight like cat and dogs, but this trip definitely brought us together, and I think that our deeply committed relationship with each other has definitely even blossomed more since then, and she's just a great person. She shines, and I think everyone needs love in life because without love, you're never fully happy and full of joy, and you'll always have a void if you don't have that love in your life. Next, I'd like to talk about fear. Fear is something I struggle with each and every day, and this is actually a book by Sadie Robertson that just came out called Live Fearless, and I pre-ordered this book in hopes that it would teach me how to trust and love God, how to grow in my strength, how to live fearless. It's not like I'm scared of spiders or clowns. I actually struggle with something much deeper than that. I struggle with moving on in my life, and that's a big fear I have. I have a fear of the unknown, and I just really would like to grow in this situation in my life and hopefully go down the path that God would like me to go down and get out of this moment of feeling stuck in my life. I feel like everyone would benefit from this book. The next slide I'd like to talk about is avoidance. I do believe this ties into the fear in my life. I've always been a very passive person. I don't like to deal with conflict. I think that this might have to do with my mom, kind of. My mom has a personality disorder called borderline, and I've always been very passive with conflict. I don't like to deal with it. I don't like to confront people. And I believe that this is why I am feeling so stuck in my life at the moment in the place of fear. And I would definitely like to work on this. This is a picture of me senior year when I definitely felt my prettiest. Maybe people thought I was doing my best, but I actually was at my worst. And I think that that's a good example of how a lot of people feel who are going through fear and don't like to deal with conflict. A lot of people just kind of drift into the background and maybe they seem like they're doing well, but maybe they're really not. Next, I'd like to talk about commitment. My dad's always instilled in my sister and I how important commitment is, and once you start something, you will finish it, and you will finish strong, and you can finish that race. And I think that that's definitely an important thing in my life is commitment. And we had a ton of fun this season riding horses. I love, love, love our horses, and we definitely had fun competing against each other. Next, I'd like to talk about competition. I'm a very competitive person by nature, and this job that I have at Cracker Barrel has definitely made me grow. And this is my manager and I, and at a meeting, and I got Team Player of the Month, and she's taught me so, so much. And I definitely love competing to be the top retail location in Cracker Barrel. And Springfield has been #1 for the past 3 years, so I really do enjoy that. Had tons of fun with that, and we do compete each and every day. Next, I'd like to talk about compromising. This is a picture of me and my cousins, and we actually recreated this picture from when we were babies, and without compromising with each other over the years, we probably wouldn't have always gotten along. It's a give and take relationship, and we all like to work together to be happy, to do things that we all like to do, and we always have a ton of family get-togethers, and I think that compromising has always made things work out great for us, and that's why we're all the best of friends. And this is me, and I hope you had fun learning about me and my self-disclosure.